This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Marcus.Anderson. To be built new construction. Spring 2021 completion. Gorgeous new home conveniently located near downtown, shipyard, and highways. Open floor plan west/modern ceiling fans, recessed lighting, and laminate wood floors. First floor bedroom. Spacious kitchen west/island, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. Custom tray ceiling in master bedroom west/large walk-in closet. Both bathrooms boast tile shower, granite countertops, and double vanity. Deck and new wood fence. This home will not last. For more information, review the details below.